By now, the boys were hanging out of the tree. Gandhiji kept coming closer, and then he was right below the tree. He peered up at the two young faces who were looking down with such adoration. Adoration means deep love and respect. And they were smiling. They smiled. Dhani looked at Gokul, and in a flash, the boys scrambled. Scrambled down means the boys climbed down from the tree and ran to join the crowd of people walking with him. They forgot about what their parents would say. They did not worry about what they would eat or how they would get back. Half the village was going anyway. Bapu had called them. How could they say no? So they walked. It seemed as if the whole of India was walking with them. There were also the white skinned British with metal boxes that they held to their eyes and clicked. A man told them that these boxes took pictures, and Gokul realized with delight that his picture had been taken too. Means the uh, man took the picture means it's a camera. So the Gokul was very happy to see that his picture had been taken too, along with the crowd. All the while, the white river kept getting longer and longer. Bapu, chatting and smiling, waving and nodding, marched on. They went through villages where the road was covered with leaves and flowers, over mud puddles and stony tracks. They soon stopped to rest for the hottest part of the afternoon. The village women brought food for everyone, vegetables and chapatis. What is Bapu eating? Dhani wondered anxiously. Means Dhani wondered eagerly while saying Bapu what he was eating. With all this walking, he will need lots of energy. Gokul looked around at the people sitting nearby. Some were dozing. Dozing means to sleep lightly and or for a short time means jhabki lena. Okay. While others were huddled together talking. The boys went close to one group of men. One of them wearing a dhoti and kurta, chewing pan and speaking in a heavy accent asked means heavy accent means in a great force speaking in a great force asked, for how long do we have to walk? Another answered haltingly means uncertainly, well, Sabarmati is in Ahmedabad and Dandi is on the Bombay coastline. If calculated, that would be about 385 kilometers. There was complete silence as everyone digested the long distance, means realized the distance they would have to walk. And by my calculation, the man continued, if we go the way we have started, walking only in the mornings and evenings, it will take us 3 to 4 weeks. Trust Bapu to think of something like this. Do you realize that for all those days, the whole country will be hearing and thinking about us? Nothing could help our cause more. He is uniting the nation by making salt. He truly is a brilliant man. Just then, the boys noticed a tall, thin man coming towards them. He stopped near them. Both the boys and the man looked at each other in astonishment, means they looked each other in very great surprise. Before blurting means together means before uttering means uttering suddenly, talking suddenly. What are you doing here? He was Gokul's father. Okay, that man was Gokul's father. Gokul's father had also joined the march and they didn't even know. He shook his head. I should have known you too. would do something like this. Well, now it is time to go home. I know it is fun and you would like to go on, but it is a long walk to Dandi and it is not for small boys. Will you be going? Gokul wanted to know. So his father shook his head. No, I am going back too with the others from our village. Bapu does not want us to leave our work. There are others who will take our place at every village and town they go through. Can, you, can we take another look at Bapu before we leave? Dhani asked, and Gokul's father nodded. Means Dhani asked to Gokul's father, can we take another look at Bapu before we leave to home? So Gandhiji, so as they saw, Gandhiji was fast asleep on a charpai under the shade of a tree. They gave him one last admiring glance. Glance means take a brief or hurried look and begin the long trudge home. Trudge means walk slowly, and they go to home back. So children, I hope that you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.